Hello, I'm Mike from Meeb's Coffee Roasters. I'm going to quickly show you the difference between a semi-automatic and an automatic espresso machine. This video addresses a common concern many new cafe owners are asking us. A semi-automatic espresso machine contains all the basic features including a boiler, a portafilter and a switch to activate and deactivate the pump to perform the extraction. While all the other features are automated, the main difference is that the barista has full control over the extraction of when it begins and when it ends. An automatic espresso machine has full control over the extraction, giving the barista the control to start the extraction, and the machine will stop the extraction automatically. An automatic espresso machine also has the ability to operate in semi-automatic mode, where the barista has full control over the extraction themselves. For detailed information of the advantages of controlling your own extraction, please read my blog below. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.